Welcome to Techno Analyst. Today we will see how to install Active Directory in Windows Server 2022 data center. So I will go to the server manager. In this server manager I can go to the add roles and features. Here I will just simply click next. Role based, I will select role based or feature based installation. Here I will select the operating system which I am going to install Active Directory. Here I will select Active Directory and domain service. Along with that, by default we have to install some features, so we will add this feature also. Plus we will select the domain service. So it's showing that no static IP were found on the computer. Please remember one thing, that you have to mention the static IP to install the DNS features, because with that static IP we can give the name of the DNS server, and with that DNS we can resolve the IP address. So for that we give one static IP address over here. So now we will give static IP to this server system. Just go to the change adapter setting. Now I will mention some static IP this system. Click on continue, click on next, 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 click on install. Now we will check the progress over here in notification. Now one feature is installed, it's succeeded. So now we have to promote this server as a domain controller, because we select domain service as well. So here we have to select this is a forest, new forest, because this is the first time we are installing. There is no other any server above this. So this is the first server, so this could be the forest server. The root domain name technoRD.com. This is my root domain name, technoRD.com. Click on next. Forest functional level is up to support level, that means up to 2016 server. So if it is 2012 or 2008 features, that will not going to support level support. Mention the password. Click on next. Now mention the password. Click on next. Parents are gonna found that message, you can ignore it simply. Click on next. Mention NetBIOS name. In long time back, like we are using one 2008 server, 2012 server, that time we add a client machine through NetBIOS name. Many time it's issues while adding system into the domain. So we use NetBIOS name that time. NetBIOS name will be the same, Techno RD. Click on next. This is your log file path where all the file will saved over here, database and system volume folder. Click on next. all prerequisite checks pass successfully, click install to begin installation. So just click on install. Now in notification you can check the progress. Now you can the installation is successful, and the system will prompt you that you have to sign out automatically. Yes. Now the system will restart. So now when we log into the first time, it is showing me my domain name slash administrator slash username. So I will mention my, so now I will mention password. So now I will type my password. So let's check it out in my server manager. What features and roles it's now installed in my dashboard. So this is my dashboard in server manager. So we have to wait. It will take few seconds or time minutes to. See now all the features installed. See now all the features installed. Active Directory Domain Service, DNS. Now I will check in my computer that system is it is in a domain or not. So just go to the, see here I can see domain technoRD.com. So this is my full computer address name, like this is my system name dot technoRD.com. It's my domain name. See, member of technoRD.com. So this way you can cross check that this system is in the domain or not. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to Techno Analyst-RD. Thank you so much.
Please subscribe to Techno Analyst.